ILIFE V7S Plus is a robot vacuum cleaner that can vacuum and mop simultaneously with a water-filled dust collecting tank. As it moves, the rolling and side brush rotate swiftly, taking in debris and dust. In the meantime, eye-dropping technology keeps the mop wet at the minimum amount of water usage. Simple and convenient to use. All you need to do is to fill the water tank, put the tank back, and start. In the case you don't need mopping, use the dust collector only. Apply to any surface. It could even climb up to 15 degrees and move smoothly on the carpet. Multiple cleaning modes available, including Auto Cleaning Mode, Edge Cleaning Mode, which focuses on corners and edges, Spot Cleaning Mode, targeting on a specific area, and Schedule Cleaning Mode. Its slim body design adds to its mobility, making it easier to reach narrow spaces. Perfect anti-collision system, minimizing the impact for any possible collision. Equipped it with 4 cliff sensors, which prevents ILIFE V7S Plus from falling off stairs. Huge battery capacity allows for up to 2 hours of cleaning. It returns to its charging base automatically when the battery was low. Once the self-charging process is done, it's good to go again.
You make sure that your schedule includes time to enjoy the little things. So when it comes to cleaning your home, you need a vacuum that allows you to spend less time cleaning and more time with your family. The CleanView from Bissell has features designed to remove embedded dirt and hair for a deep clean. CleanView has OnePass technology, which provides powerful, non-stop suction and an innovative brush design that cleans on the initial pass. CleanView's OnePass technology couples with a powerful multi-cyclonic suction system to deliver powerful, non-stop suction in an uncomplicated, easy-to-maneuver unit. CleanView comes with premium attachments designed to clean other surfaces where messes may exist. The crevice tool is great for cleaning narrow surfaces, such as baseboards, while the Turbo Brush tool attaches easily to clean furniture and stairs. And the upholstery brush can be used to clean furniture and drapes. The vacuum comes with a multi-level filtration system that helps reduce household allergens. There's even a washable pre-motor filter that you can clean and reuse to maximize performance and save money. CleanView's Easy Empty Dirt Tank allows you to dispose of your debris at the push of a button. All these features and attachments are built into CleanView's lightweight, easily storable design, letting you get the cleaning out of the way so you can get back to enjoying the little things. CleanView from Bissell.